Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, as you can see, the device is locked. It's impossible to skip it. We are doing the setup process, and now let me show you what to do. First, let's get back to the to the first page, and in the meantime, we gotta open up our browser on our computer. Visit HardReset.info page right in here. That's the link. Then, in this window, type Samsung S9. Find Samsung Galaxy S9. Click on Bypass Google Verification. Scroll down and click to that link from Android 8 to 13 and security patch to January 2023. Click on that. And we gotta install the Samsung drivers. Click on that and hit the download button. And we also need to download the FRP bypass tool. But before we do it, we gotta turn off the antivirus for now. It's not a threat or anything like that. Basically, almost every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why we need to turn it off for now. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta open up the settings, then privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection. Click on Manage Settings, and for now, we gotta turn off real-time protection. Now click on FRP bypass tool. It will be downloaded. Now open up the downloads folder, and you gotta extract the Samsung drivers and also the FRP bypass tool. I'm going to use the WinRAR and extract two. Okay. Now open up the folder with the Samsung USB drivers, and you gotta install them. So double click. In my case, it says that it's already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the whole installation process once again. But in your case, the whole installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and wait until it's installed. It's going to take about 5 minutes. And if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation. Okay, now open up the bypass tool. Click on next, next, and install. And click on finish. You also need to have an USB-C cable that is connected to your computer. And now, on our phone, we gotta click on emergency call, type *#0 *#. We are in the test menu now. Connect your phone to your computer using the cable. It should appear right in here as a Samsung USB modem. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB cable, or if you don't have the original, you can use another good quality USB-C cable. And now simply click on Remove FRP Security older than August 2022. Click on that. The whole process will begin. Now you gotta keep waiting. Select that you already opened the test mode. Select Always Allow from this computer and click on Allow. And keep waiting. Don't click on anything. The phone will do the job. Actually, the FRP tool will do the job. Select that you don't want to. Okay, it says that removing has finished. We can unplug the cable right now. Let's wait a little bit longer. We can also close the FRP tool. We won't be needing it anymore. And now let's wait until our phone turns on. It will turn on already on the home screen. Just like that, as you can see, we don't have any Google verifications anymore. But to fulfill everything, I highly recommend to restart the device one last time using through the settings simply. So open up the settings, then go to General Management, click on Reset, Factory Data Reset, and Confirm. And then click on Delete All. Now, after the reset, when you get to the setup process, you won't have any Google verifications or Google verifications anymore during the setup. You'll be able to simply click through the setup process and your device will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.